Hi, and welcome to Mike's Garage. So today we're going to do a quick review on this 200-watt solar panel that was sent to me to review. So this is from High Quality Solar Technology. It is a 200-watt panel. It is a mono panel. It's not bifacial. So we're going to do a test on it. We'll see what the output is. It is in the optimal position right now at 29 degrees. So it's approximately 1:30, and I have it set at 29 degrees because it is slightly past high noon. So we're going to take a look at the setup real quick, and then we'll look at the numbers. Hopefully it will put out full capacity. So the panel has been washed, so it is nice and clean. And I have it set up once again, approximately 29 degrees. And it is connected up to my EcoFlow, and I am using 10 gauge wire. So right now, the EcoFlow is 94% charged, and the panel is putting out 176 watts. Now it is rated for 200 watts, so this is a little bit lower than I would expect. Let's see if I change the angle slightly, if it makes any difference. So the first thing that I'm going to do is increase the angle to approximately 30 degrees by lifting up the panel. See if that makes a difference, and then we'll also try lowering it. So now it is at 30 degrees, and the output is still 176. Let's try lowering it down a little bit. And now we're at 28 degrees. And we are now at 171 watts. Moving it back to its original 29 degrees, we are back up to 176. So it appears that is its maximum output. As you can see, it is nice and sunny. Just to ensure that this isn't heat related, what we're going to do next is I'm going to pour some water across the panel. Let's see if that makes a difference. That did make some difference, and as you can see, it went up to 181 watts. But it is still reading well below the 200 watts that I would expect. In conclusion, it's not a bad panel, but it is not performing optimally for its specs. Not sure why. It is producing less than expected, but using my power station, I have tested other solar panels with it, and my EcoFlow is quite sensitive. It has reached 200 watts with no issue on 200-watt panels in the past. Here are the details on the panel. The model is HSP 200D-68A. As you can see, it is a 200-watt panel. So that's it. Thanks again for watching Mike's Garage.